Hi, George here, and here's 3 things we love about this Samsung heat pump tumble dryer. It knows how to get the best results, it makes things easier for you, and it saves you the hassle of cleaning out fluff. Not only does it save energy, but it makes sure your clothes are looked after by preventing over drying with optimal dry, which uses sensors to adjust the drying time for the best result. It gives you a clever way to do your laundry by remembering your habits and suggesting your favourite cycles with Smart Control Plus. You don't have to clean your tumble dryer as often, as the 2-in-1 filter collects the fluff from your laundry. If you want to find out more, visit us in store, online, or chat to one of us on a Shop Live video call.